It's a little wet. How we doing, everybody? It's a little wet today. Here's my fellow freedom fighters. Good day to train, good day to train. We're gonna hit this 110 yard, 100 meter pistol shot in the rain. And thunder. All right.
You up next?
Yes, so. There you go. You hit the top of it, but there you go. 2 hits in a row.
I like it.
Nice. Now you got it unlocked. There you go. You hit the top of it. There you go. 2 hits in a row.
I like it. Nice.
Now you got it unlocked. Hey! Hey! The raindrops are affecting this. Yeah. Hey! And it was a flipper!
You got the hostage guy. Let's go! That's what I was aiming for.
Yeah.
Sniper over here. I wasn't aiming center mass, I was aiming for the hostage.
Hey, that's a hit. Now I got it.
Sniper. Okay.
Sniper. Hey, that's a hit. Now I got it.
Okay.
Sniper. Go up on your feet.